This life has got me feeling like I can't persist, but I've got no choice, cause seemingly I exist. I can't abandon ship, and I can't deal with shit. Every step of the way is a predicament. Don't tell me that I'm crazy, even though you might be right. Cognitive dissonance helps me sleep at night. I'm walking, I'm talking, I'm feeling, I'm breathing. I just don't know what the fuck I am doing. So lend me your ear. There's something that I really need you to hear. Fuck you, fuck you. That's what I gotta say to help me make it through. Fuck you, fuck you. That's what I wanna say to help me make